Hello friends, welcome to the current news updated. Today is the 9th August and we have two top current affairs that can boost your exam preparation from national news to international highlights. I have picked the most important update for you. Watch till the end so you don't miss any key questions. Let's begin. The RBI August 2025 Monetary Policy Committee meeting was held on A 1 to 3 August, B 4 to 6 August, C 5 to 7th August. Your option D is 6 to 8 August. Your right answer is 4 to 6th August. Now let's see explanation. The RBI conducts MPC meeting every 2 months to decide key policy rates. In August 2025, the meeting took place from 4th to 6th August. The repo rate decision impact inflation control and economic growth. The committee also updated the inflation and GDP growth forecast. MPC dated and rate decisions are frequently asked in banking and SSC exams. Now let's see your next question. Next question is from 7th August 2025, the total US tariff imposed on certain Indian goods became. Your option is A 25%, B 40%, C 50%, D 60%. Your right answer is 50%. Now let's see explanation. Previously, the tariff on certain Indian export was at 25%. On 7th August 2025, the US added another 25%, making it is a total of 50%. The affects exports like textiles, pharmaceuticals, and engineering goods. The moves reflect trade tensions between India and the US. Trade-related facts are important for UPSC, state pieces, and the economics-based exams. Now let's see next question. Next question is on 7th August 2025, where did the India bloc meeting take place? Your option is A. Sonia Gandhi residence, Rahul Gandhi residence, and Sharad Pawar residence, the Parliament House. Your right answer is Rahul Gandhi residence. Now let's see explanation. The Indian bloc is an alliance of opposition parties in India. The 7th August meeting was held at Rahul Gandhi's residence in New Delhi. Key discussion included aligned voter list issue in Bihar and violence in Jammu Kashmir. Political meeting and leadership details are common in factual MCQs. Such questions are relevant for SSC, CDS, and state PCS exams. Next question. The parliament approved an extension of president's rule in Manipur by A 3 months, B 4 months, C 6 months, D 12 months. Your right answer is 6th month. Now let's see explanation. Manipur has been under president's rule due to a prolonged law and order cities. On 13 August 2025, the current term was set to expire. Parliament approved a 6-month extension beyond this date. President's rule is imposed under Article 356 of the Indian Constitution. Constitutional provisions on emergencies are frequently tested in UPSC and SSC exams. Fifth, Vladimir Putin. Sorry. Next question is which country's president is scheduled to visit India in late August 2025? A. China, B. Russia, C. France, D. Brazil. Your right answer is Russia. Now let's see explanation. This question. Russia President Vladimir Putin is expected to visit India in late August 2025. The visit was confirmed in news reported on 7th August 2025. Main focus areas included trade, defense, and energy cooperation. India-Russia ties have a strategic importance in geopolitics. International visits and summits are a frequent topic in UPSC and SSC exams. Next question is during the RBI August 2025 MPC meeting 4 to 6 August, the central bank revised inflation projection for the year was A 4.0%, B 5.5%, C 6.0%, D 7.5%. The right answer is 5.5%. Now let's see explanation. The RBI MPC adjusted its inflation forecast based on rising global commodity price and domestic food inflation. The new projection stood at approximately 5.5% for the fiscal year. This reflected a balance between growth goals and controlling inflation. Monetary policy decisions like these are key for banking exam and economic section. Understanding why the RBI revised projection in a critical for analytical. Next question is in India, in early August 2025, India signed a major IT infrastructure contract with which country's firm? Your option is A. United States, B. Japan, C. Germany, D. United Kingdom. Your right answer is United States. Now let's see explanation. The contract was developing digital public infrastructure essential across e-governance. A US-based tech firm was awarded the project through international tenders. The agreements strengthen Indian-US digital strategic ties. Such developments are relevant for the international relation and economy section for UPSC and a similar exam. Question often focus on digital initiative and bilateral collaboration. Next question is on 2nd August 2025, the Government of India announced additional funding for which scheme? Your option is A. Make in India, B. National Health Mission, C. Startup India, D. Sagarmala. Your right answer is National Health Mission. Now let's see explanation of this question. Additional budgetary allocation was approved for improving primary health care infrastructure. The focus was on ramping up health service in rural and underserved areas. The move supported the government's goal of universal health care coverage. Health policy topics are frequently tested in UPSC prelims and state PCS examination. Government often announce such a scheme funding round during monsoon season, making exam relevant. Next question is which satellite was launched by Indian between 1 to 8th August 2025? A. INSAT 4C, GSAT 30, C. Microsat first, D. Venus Indict first. Your right answer is Microsat first. Now let's see explanation. Microsat was successfully launched by ISRO in early August 2025. It is India's first fully indigenous satellite for Earth observation. The satellite will serve application in agriculture, disaster management, and urban planning. ISRO's mission are a regular feature in the science technology section of competitive exams. Examination, its purpose and significance enhance conceptual clarity in test. Next question is in early August 2025, India signed a trade corridor agreement with A. Nepal, B. Myanmar, C. Bangladesh, D. Bhutan. Your right answer is Bangladesh. Now let's see explanation of this question. Agreement is aimed at to stabilizing a multimodal transport corridor for seamless trade. Trade. The corridor include rail, road, and inland waterways to boost connectivity. It is expected to significantly reduce logistics cost and transit time between the two nations. Regional cooperation and connectivity are a major theme in a current affairs section of UPSC and other competitive exam. This move also strengthens India's enabling first and BIMSTEC policy frameworks. Thanks for watching.